AI&PS was formed in 1956 to serve the disability insurance protection needs of attorneys across California. Currently, we handle the disability insurance for about 3,000 attorneys. And if each of those attorneys was to have become disabled yesterday, it would be about $16 million in monthly benefits. The disability programs through the State Bar Insurance have all been vetted by the State Bar Insurance Committee for contracts, clauses, discounts, and marketing efforts. And so attorneys can rest assured that they are working with a firm that has helped the State Bar for nearly 50 years. The homework has been done for them to find the best product for attorneys, and they're getting a product that typically is going to be the least expensive on the open market. The types of disability insurance that we handle for the State Bar of California are DI, or disability income protection, which is designed for the individual and their home use. So if someone was to get hurt or sick, they'd be able to pay their mortgage, their insurances, put food on the table, keep the kids in school, etc. The second would be LTD, or long-term disability, designed primarily the same as the first, except it's done more through a group setting rather than an individual setting. Now, each of these products has a wide array of options, allowing us to hone in on not only budget but need, combining group with individual, looking at government programs, etc. So we're typically able to find a solution for every attorney interested in investigating these options. Now, what you can expect as you start the process is typically a 10 to 15 minute phone call where we can hone in on 3 things that we need to substantiate in order to put together information that would be relevant in your search for figuring out if this makes sense or not. Getting information on age, the health background, and income are 3 critical elements that we need to be able to put together the best plan for the individual. The next step would be to meet at your office to go over relevant data and figures and a quote. If this is something that makes sense for you, then at that point we would spend another 15 to 20 minutes going through an application, getting that submitted, establishing a date for a mini medical exam. That would all go to the underwriters. They would then go to the Medical Information Bureau, pull that information, where the underwriters could then design an offer that would be returned to us. Once we get that offer in hand, we then have a final meeting. We sit down and we determine, do we want all of this? Do we want half of this? Do we want none of this? And then we can really build the plan to specifications and needs for each individual.